Hello. It's a real shame that we can't actually build some circuits, but I've found a really good simulator of electric circuits, and I'm just going to quickly show you how to set it up. I've only just had a play and I managed to do it, so I'm sure you young things can manage. Open your web browser and type in Phet, P-H-E-T, Circuit Builder HTML5, this one here, and you should get this thing here. You want the DC. That opens up an interactive screen like that, and it's best to do the intro first just to show you way around. You've got some wires, they call them batteries, we should call them cells. You could also practice doing your conductors and insulators using some of the things there. Okay, I'm hoping that what you've seen so far is you need a power supply to start, so you just drag that off. If you want two power supplies, you can connect those two together. If you want to unconnect them, you can cut that off, delete. Okay, here. Now your wires, you can do that different ways. You can connect them and stretch them. You could make them into circuits as you would in the circuit symbols, and I think that might be easier. Okay, so you can set them down here. Now with your light bulb, remember we talked about the light bulb. You have two connections to a light bulb. One is the bottom. We showed you that when we lit that light bulb. So it goes in, the current goes in the bottom, round the filament, and then it comes out the side. So that's how you have to connect a light bulb, one in the side, one up the top. Now you can actually just stick these together. You'll know when the circuit's working because you'll see electrons flowing and the light will light. If you want to change that to circuit symbols, you can click on this button here, although their lights are really lamps. So you can change that back. Now again, we can see that although we've got that number of wires, I would probably set it up more like this again, because remember we shouldn't really have components in the edges, but this is a simulation. So you can put some other things in the circuit, but obviously you can't just add them in now because we've connected our circuit. So you're going to have to detach that, snip it, and then fix one in that one end and one in the other, and that still works. Okay, so I'm going to clear, tap circuit to element to edit. So as I say, I've only just been playing with that. I'll dump the, whoops. So again, you can change the resistance of that. Oh, look what it does to the bulb. So changing the resistance makes the bulb dimmer. So we'll just dump that. And I'm going to stick in another bulb like this. Connect that back up, do you see? Okay, we could stick in a switch, as I've shown you. And if you watch the building circuits, although that's a symbol for a switch, we don't connect it like that. Whoops, got to snip it. And we can do one like that, and we'll get another wire like that. Oh no, my switch circuit's not working. Of course it's not working because I've not closed the switch. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I've put in the links some circuits that I would like you to build, and I'll give you a clue. The first one says build a circuit with one cell, which we've got that, and two bulbs, so that if one is disconnected, the other goes out. So if we disconnect this bulb here, you can see that all the electrons stop flowing and the circuit is off. Later, I'm going to ask you to try and build a circuit where the bulb can stay on. And you might want to think about something like this. So you can connect things up together. You can move things. You can add in extra wires. So if you don't like the look of something, you can move that about and make it a bit more easy. Now what I'd like you to try when you're building these circuits is try drawing them out with circuit symbols. This will give you a hint, but you wouldn't tend to draw the circuit out like that. Turn off the current. Okay, you can just, so it's close, but it's not very good. We'd tend to sort of more draw it, not even like that really. Okay, but you've got the idea. So have a play and see if you can build the circuits. I'm going to set your 7 circuits. I'm going to set you. I might give you a little hint, and get in touch if you're stuck with your teacher. Thank you.